Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends. Now this is a problem based on economic life on asset, and this is not something that is there in at least in what you can say operation management. But then there's a chapter called as replacement and maintenance or repairs and maintenance, where we have some problems based on replacement of an asset. Now this is something very similar to that, and in the earlier syllabus there were few problems based on this concept of economic life of asset. Now this concept is very much there in finance in CMA final. Now we are going to solve one or two problems based on this concept, because I have a gut feeling that they will ask you something based on this in the exam, even though it might not be there in the study material. So we'll read the problem first and we'll understand the calculations. Now this will be highly mechanical. This will be based on the concept called as equivalent cost. Let's see how to work it out and then we'll solve it. A company purchases a machine for rupees 10,000. So cost of the machine is 10,000 and the operation cost of the machine is expected to be more or less the same during its life. So operation cost will be more or less same in all the years. लेकिन इसका मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट पहले साल में 2000 रुपए है. The maintenance cost is rupees 2000 during the first year of operation and increases by rupees 800 from the second year onwards till the fourth year. During its fifth year it is 6000 and then onwards it increases by rupees 1000 per annum. Interest rate दिया हुआ है which will be used to calculate the equivalent cost and determine the economic life of the machine कहा गया है. Let's see how to work out this problem. My maintenance cost for the first year will be 2000 और हर साल फोर्थ ईयर तक बढ़ के वो 800 रुपया बढ़ेगा. एवरी ईयर इट विल इंक्रीज बाय 800. तो सेकेंड ईयर में हो जाएगा 2800 और 800 रुपया 3600 प्लस और 800 रुपया 4400. और फिर फिफ्थ ईयर से हमारा कॉस्ट हो जाएगा 6000 और उसके बाद हमारा कॉस्ट एवरी ईयर बढ़ेगा 1000 रुपीज से. तो दिस विल बिकम 7000, 8000, 9000 and so on. So ideally the question that comes to mind is for how many years I should do this. So we'll try to do it for the first 5 years and if needed we will do it for the 6th and the 7th year. मैं 8th ईयर तक लिख के रखता हूँ, बट अगर ज़रूरत पड़ा तो ही हम 8th ईयर तक करेंगे. नॉर्मली इट विल बी डन फॉर नियर अबाउट 5 to 6 years. हम 6 years का टारगेट रखते हैं और देखते हैं कैसे कैलकुलेशन होगा. माय नेक्स्ट कॉलम विल बी प्रेजेंट वैल्यू फैक्टर एट इंटरेस्ट रेट इज 12% per annum. So I'll use the formula to calculate the present value factor, and for first year it will be 0.8928, that is 893. For second it will be 0.7971, that is 797. For third year it will be 0.7117, that is 712, round off. For next year it will be 0.6355, which will be 0.636. For next year it will be 0.567. For the sixth year it will be 0.5066, that is 0.507. I'll just keep the 7th and the 8th year as blank right now. Now the next column will be I'll multiply this maintenance cost for the first year with the present value factor to get present value of maintenance cost, which comes to 2000 into 0.893, 17862232. I'm just rounding it off. 3600 into 0.712, 2563, 2798, 3402 and 3549. Now I'll find out the cumulative present value of maintenance cost. cumulative present value of maintenance cost, which will be 1786, then 1786 plus 2232 4018 plus 2563, which comes to 6581, plus 2798 comes to 9379, plus 3402 comes to 12781, plus 3549 16330. Now we'll find out the total cost, which will include the initial cost of 10,000, that is the cost of the machine. Now this total cost will include present value of cumulative maintenance cost and the initial cost of the machine, that is rupees 10,000. So just note it down here. Total cost will be initial cost of the machine minus any scrap value plus cumulative present value of maintenance cost. So this comes to 1786 plus 10,000, 10,000 plus 4018, 10,000 plus 6581, 10,000 plus 9379, 10,000 plus 12,781, and 10,000 plus 16,330. So this is my total cost, and now I will find out the annual equivalent cost. For that, we'll first find out the present value of annuity factor by using a formula. Most of the times we can also follow the tables for that. For present value annuity factor, we have got a formula 1 plus I whole raised to n minus 1 upon I into 1 plus I whole raised to minus 1. So for first year it will be 0.893, for second year it will be 1.6900, for third year 2.4021, three 3.0376, 3.6049, last only 4.1118. Now my annual equivalent cost will be used by calculating the formula total cost divided by annuity factor. So equivalent cost will be equal to total cost divided by annuity factor. So my answer will be 11786 divided by 0.893, 13,198.20. राउंड ऑफ में मैं 192 रुपीज़ लिखता हूँ. सेकेंड it will be 14,018 divided by 1.6900, that is 8,294.67, that is 8295. Then it will be 16,581 divided by 2.4021, which is 6902.71, that is 03. Next is 19,379 divided by 3.038, which is 6378.86, so 79. Next it is 22,781 divided by 3.6049, 6319.45, so we'll write 19. Last will be 26,330 divided by 4.1118, which comes to 6403.52. So I can write 546403 or 6404. If you observe, my annual equivalent cost goes on decreasing up to the fifth year. फिफ्थ ईयर क्या होता है, फिर से बढ़ रहा है, मतलब फिफ्थ ईयर तक मेरा कॉस्ट कम हो रहा है. So that is the most economical time where I should keep the machine with me for 5 years, and after 5 years I should change the machine. So I will write the final answer. So since my annual equivalent cost is lowest in the fifth year, I will say that 5 years is the optimal time, or it is the most economic life of the asset, and after 5 years you should replace the machine. So this was the problem based on economic life of the asset. ये टेबल का फॉर्मेट है. ईयर्स मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट दिया हुआ रहेगा, हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्रेजेंट वैल्यू फैक्टर से. नॉर्मली 5 to 6 ईयर्स करना पड़ेगा, उससे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा. प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट निकालेंगे, उसका क्यूमुलेटिव करेंगे, और फिर टोटल कॉस्ट निकालने के लिए मेरा मशीन कॉस्ट प्लस क्यूमुलेटिव प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट करेंगे, और टोटल कॉस्ट डिवाइड बाय एनईटी फैक्टर करेंगे, तो हमको मिल जाएगा एनुअल इक्विवेलेंट कॉस्ट. एंड जिस ईयर में एनुअल इक्विवेलेंट कॉस्ट सबसे कम होगा वो ईयर मेरा एसेट का इकोनॉमिक लाइफ कहलाएगा. मतलब दैट इज द टाइम टिल विच आई शुड मेंटेन, आई शुड कीप द मशीन, and I should ideally replace the machine after the fifth year. I hope you got the point clear. This is very unique. This is something that is not within the study material, but then I have covered this because this is very important from exam point of view. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.